This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Neuman. Amazing 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 2-car garage in a desirable community, Hidden Heights on a small lake with lots of tranquility. This home features an open floor plan with a large living and dining area, large master bedroom and bath. Open kitchen with breakfast nook, real wood cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. Conveniently to supermarkets, restaurants, and school. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Neuman at 321-308-3268.